Hello, hello. This is Sharif or Just Nailed It. Today I have for you some beautiful colors by PND Nails. This is Princess Nails by Diana's fall line. It is called Fallicious. And I just love these labels. I think they are like super cute. You have a window, you can see your color. Princess Nails by Diana. It's got, I don't know if you can see this, all the ingredients and everything on the back. You can pause it if you'd like. Check her out. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, PND Nails. Check. She also has a matte top coat that I was sent, as well as the black and the white. Needed those really bad. So we are going to dive in with one of her fall colors. Let me see if there's no name, just numbers. This is 5745. This is this beautiful color changing polish. It goes from, she says this is brown. Changes from this color to this really pretty yellow. We're going to wear this on my non-dominant paw. Yes, I said paw. My non-dominant hand. So, forgive me, I'm not good at painting this hand. But I'm going to do the best that I can. At the end of your nails. Should get me an orange one to stick out for this. There we go. These are also a 15 milliliter bottle. You can get these on sale right now. I'm just making quite the mess. Quite the mess. I'm sure you don't want to see me paint all 5 of my digits, but you're gonna. Let's you want to fast forward through this part. Oh, by the way, on Instagram I have a giveaway going on right now for She Modern. I have 10 winners, 7 US, 3 international, and God, could you even see what I'm doing? I hope so. I will draw on Monday, November 18th. You must be following me on Instagram to enter to win. I've changed my name on there recently. Instead of being Nailed It 67, I am just Nailed It. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen. Here's our first coat, and you can see that they're halfway in between. We'll do some cleanup right here. I thought, there we go. This is one coat. I love this. We're going to be right back. I'm going to pause and cure for 30. Okay, here we go. We are fresh out of the lamp, and they are yellow. This is the yellow state where they have changed. And they got some deliciousness going on in them. Can you see? It is just beautiful. We're going with our second coat. so I can make sure I got full opacity. Yes, you're gonna sit through watching me paint them twice. I do really love this color. There are 6 colors in her collection for her fall line. I'm not sure if you can still buy the summer collection, the neons, or not. I just recently got the neon green. I had to have that. Shoot. Boy, do I make a mess. But you don't want to stick this to the lamp and have this on you. You want to get this all off you now. Get it all off your skin now. When I stick them in the lamp this time, I'm going to be cured for 60. Make sure you have capped the ends of your nails to the very best of your ability. I mean, this is some stubby nubbins I got going on these 2 fingers, but they're mine, and I'm painting them. So here we go. Looks like an ombre effect here. We'll be back. We are fresh back out of the lamp. There are 2 coats on of number 5745. These are the 2 colors. There's this. I'm sorry. There's this color. And it changes to this. It is a light baby yellow with some deliciousness in it. Deliciousness. I hope you can see it. It's just beautiful. This state as well, it is just beautiful. Let me see. The beautiful polish. So check her out, PND Princess Nails by Diana. That is her fall line. One of her fall line. There are 5 more in it. Check her out on Instagram. Look under PND, the letters PND, and you should be able to find it. If not, it is under Princess Nails. Princess Nails _by_ Diana. Also at her disposal, she has a Magic Gel UV LED remover. This does not have the bad ingredient in there. I don't know if you can see this. Pause it so you can see it. I will demonstrate for you on our 3 nails by PND. This is her black. The lime green that I just received. Or I should say the neon green. I'm sorry, look at that. It's like a candy. This is 2 coats on a white nail. Beautiful. Had to have it. So we're going to put this on these nails. Sit and wait. And see what happens. The directions are on the back too, but they're too little for my eyeballs. So, I don't know what the wait time normally is. That's the only bad part. I can't see it just to tell you. So I just gotta wing it. I'm not gonna pause, that way you know in real time what happens, how long it takes, blah blah blah. There are our 3 nails. It's like the peace sign. So we are going to sit here and wait and see what happens. I have my cuticle pusher out. It's supposed to be able to, my understanding, you sit here and let this wait. It's supposed to do whatever it does, and then you scrape it off the nail. On the black, I can slightly see it right here start to pucker up. So we'll see. We shall see. Oh, before you start to do a gel, wrong hand, a gel manicure, push your cuticles back. Oh, we got deliciousness sticking up there. Push your cuticles back. Buff the shine off your nail. Make sure you push your cuticles back, ladies. Start with clean, dry nails. It is winter time, and it's time to change from hand lotion to a hand cream. Or a cream. You need something thicker, because we need more moisture. Moisture. Oh, wow. Can you see the black nail here? It is changing. So we're just going to sit here, let this watch. So yeah, change from a lotion into a hand cream. The one I'm currently using is by Dove Intensive Cream. It's a beautiful thick lotion, leaves your hands glistening. They're so soft and moisturized. So don't forget that in the summer and the spring you can go something that's more light, but not in the winter, not in the fall and the winter. You need something, I hate to use the word heavier, but you need something thicker, more moisture, to lock the moisture in, to add moisture to our hands and nails. We really do need it. Don't forget the cuticle oil, ladies. Use whichever brand you want, whichever manufacturer, whichever flavor and scent you want. As long as you're using 3 to 5 times a week. You can use that, put that on, let this, I always put it on, let that soak in my nails, and rub it in, and then get some hand cream, or hand lotion, put that on. I really like how this is doing the black nail. I don't know if you can see this. But the other two now, and I put the same amount on, nothing's going on with the green nail. I don't know, I did put that on there, right? Like something should be going on there and it's not. I'm gonna check it out here because something should be going on by now. Nothing ain't happening. These are top coated. Oh, you're supposed. Oh, you know what I did? Oh, I made a huge boo boo. Huge boo boo. You're supposed to buff the shine off the nails. Then put this on. Then put this on. It says so in the directions, I bet. And I wish I could see them to tell ya. And there's a caution. I don't even know what it says here. How to use. I can see that. Shoot. Buff the shine off your nails. I didn't. And this has got a top coat on them, so that's why it's not working. Why it's working on the black, I'm not sure, because I top coated them all equally. But here you go. This is what you get. It takes your polish right off the nail. Wants to stick to my cuticle pusher. But there you go. The black's a prime example. You may have to get out your your pad with a little bit of Neosporin, a little bit of acetone. But look, it comes right off the nail. You don't need to use a heavy hand. You don't need to gouge. But there we go. It works. 2 thumbs up. It's not eating into the nail. It's still secure. These two, nothing's going on because I didn't buff the shine off. Ugh. Well, there you've seen it for yourself here, folks. Magic Gel UV LED Gel Remover does work. Just buff the shine off. That's all you gotta do. Don't forget like I did. So, see. Let me clean this mess up here. Yeah, here is, whoops. The ones in the blue are her neons, which this is my white. My lime green. I do have the pink somewhere. Oh, here it is. This is her pink. Beautiful. These are all neons. You can wear them over white, which brightens them. These are from the fall line. Her matte top coat. And her Magic Gel. This is, I think, $6 for the Magic Gel, American dollars. Sorry, I'm a little parched. So yeah, we can check this out at PND, Princess Nails by Diana. She even talks about it on her YouTube. She's got a few swatchers out there, and I think somebody's got the line already. I can't remember who, though. Check out Nailed by Nikki. She might have it. Or be getting it soon. One of the two. I think she's already got it and might have filmed it. So check her out. Check out Princess Nails by Diana's page. She may be swatching them as well, but great line of polishes. Great size bottles. 15 milliliters, full half ounce, you know, you can't beat that. They're not minis. These are going to last for a long, long time. Great, great, great. So we're going to come to a conclusion, to an end on this video. Thanks for being here with me and for your support. If you're not subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to click that bell. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.